Alright, hey guys, we're with Angie today, and this is Princess's mom. And what we're gonna do today, David, living in Montreal, Canada, wanted to treat Princess to get some toys and get some different things that she really wants.
Yeah.
So, Angie's gonna come with us, and we're gonna go pick it out.
Yes, and we owe Filipina, or we owe Princess aka Filipina an ice cream.
Oh,
Because
ice
she
cream.
said, Mom, I will let you go. I will not cry, but bring ice cream for me.
Alright, so ice cream is gonna be included.
Yeah.
Alright. So I guess we'll head there now and pick out a few things.
Yeah.
So very cool. So we'll see you guys later.
Tara.
Alright guys, so we just had a really good day of shopping. We had Angie with us. They made it a lot easier so she could just pick out the things for Princess. So, a few things that we got. We got the bike, and then a bunch of clothes, some Princess. We got some shoes. See, some Princess shoes. And then some clothes, some math things. And then one thing that they mentioned is that their TV broke. So we ended up getting a TV.
Yes.
And then one more thing that she wanted
Is ice cream.
is ice cream. And we'll get that on the way back because it might melt.
Yeah, if you're around Toledo, check this area. They have different TV.
Yeah, lots of different things. And this is right by the Grand Mall.
Right by
So if you
Grand
know where that is, it's right outside, and you come outside and it's right here.
Yeah.
So definitely, we shopped here many times. There's lots of good stuff.
They're very friendly.
Yes, they are.
Alright.
All right, so I guess we're gonna try to surprise Princess the best as we can. We're gonna try to distract her and go someplace else, and then we'll try to surprise her with all these good things. So I guess we'll load up. We'll try to find some ice cream so it doesn't melt, and then we'll head back. So we'll see you guys soon. All right, guys. Angie and I just finished setting everything up. We got a whole bunch of clothes over here, some shoes, more shoes, some sandals, and some nice Princess shoes. Goes along with her name. We have some clay modeling, some paper, and a TV, and then some math addition things, and then a bicycle. So Richie's occupying with Princess right now. So the only thing Princess wanted was ice cream. So we had some money left over. We're gonna go get some ice cream and maybe some other snacks, and then we'll bring her back and try to surprise her as best as we can. So we're gonna go there now. It's just a quick walk to get ice cream, and then we'll come back and surprise her with the gifts.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll be right back. To reward Princess with her good behavior, we're gonna get her some ice cream.
Sana? Ay, sorry. Kini? Or kini?
All right, so for Princess being such a good girl today, she was away from her mother, and the deal was that we get her ice cream.
Ice cream.
So
Just one.
enjoy the ice cream. Yeah, 2 of them. All right, so we're about to go inside. Before we do, this is a big thank you to David, living in Montreal, Canada.
Yes. Thank you,
David.
David.
All right, so we're gonna go enjoy our ice cream inside.
Kalau ito sa ice cream sulod ha. Sige.
All right, let's go take a walk inside.
Limitan.
What's all this? What's all this? Yeah, look at those.
Sanilas.
Yeah.
TV.
TV, yeah.
Like this. Sama na. Ablihi, open. Ablihi, sama na. Bye.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ano kayo, mag-break.
She will go bike.
Wow. Dai. Test. Alibas. Uy. Ika na, ge. Ge, kaya naam nito ko, Dai. Naam nito ko. Uy. Ah, sakto na dede, oy. Ika na, ge. Eh, anak, ge. Tindak. Tindak, anak. Balik. Ani, padung ali, anak. Ge, tindak. Ge. Tuyo.
Praktis lang kau niya.
Ge, anak mo, pili, anak. Ge, doot. Ge. Ge, ka na pigas ka na. Wala. Wala man ka. Ani, anak. Ge, doot. Ge, na.
I have bike now.
I have a bike now.
Wanna ride? She said, wanna ride? Bisa kay sling. Angkas sling.
Hindi ko ka. Kanan eh.
It has a little seat in the back too for a friend.
Gi ka na. Sis.
Gisukod imong sandal. Sis.
Kare boots sa boots. Naray mong boots. Boots? Hawa dong.
Dong, isbog dong.
Hawa dong. Boots? Okay, kwan.
Boots? 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 Unsa? Boots?
Yes. Sa loob.
Insakto na ko.
Ooh, what's inside?
Sa ko na soda na ipatanaw.
Oh, very cool. Look at all the stuff you have. Some modeling clay, some paper, a whole bunch of different letters. How do they feel?
Jarang.
Sa ko ni mong kwan ko no.
Ano bali? Na ayaw.
Ayaw dong.
Ta ayaw ba? Di pinay mo ang pay. Magbay kami ko sa babaw. Tulong ako eh.
Don't touch my bag.
We got the TV behind us. Look at that cool color.
Wow.
Sis.
Oh, pa lagi naman.
Got some scissors.
Ito si Jen.
Gisilo ba, princess?
Sa loob. Ibubuasan na.
Ay, lang boy, sapo lang niya.
Anaon?
Ha?
Anaon? Yukon?
Tayo ko.
Adili lagi ko.
Isapo lang ati princess.
Tibita, tibita. Tibita, tibita. Tibita,
Hindi pa man ang onda. Muna battery.
Wow.
Wow, princess.
tibita. Din yan.
Gisakay na bike, princess.
Sa kanya bike.
Ayaw.
Wow, earrings too.
Ayos.
Nice.
Ayaw, hawa. Itindak. Wala, itindak na, itindak. Itindak. Oh my God. Ay lang. Di ako gata.
Dali na imong kontindak ato bang dito. Dong dito din.
Apa ang kasana? Bosin, dito.
Tindak atin.
Ah! Yay!
Gitindak. Tindak.
May sa tayo?
Break.
May sa tanin.
She said, "Oh, I have ice cream there." Nayo lang ha.
Na? Sige, sis. Tindak, tindak. Sis. Ayaw. Mas ka din din, ba? Ano, doon kay Dustin. Sunod ako. Agay, awag din yan, Day. Itindak.
Check her shoes out. Now when she walks around at night, people can see her. Those are cool. Look at that.
Tara, let's go and eat some ice cream.
Ice cream time.
Okay, nahinay mo ha.
Hindi, guniti ang kuha kay mahulog.
Nam nam nam, delicioso.
Tan.
I think she likes that bike.
Nahot na rin yan at princess na taon.
Make sure I have some left.
That ice cream is going pretty fast. Wow.
Oh, yummy.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Nakit payo. Sa pagkabili na. Ay, payo. Sapo ka na. No, may pislit. Hindi makita. Okay, pagkain.
Nagdoot. Ayaw, sis. Ayaw, oy. Ay! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ito na ito nito. Sunod ako na ang
All right, so the kids are down riding their bikes. So they're probably gonna be there till nighttime. I was gonna go over just a few more things just to show the appreciation, David. Thank you very much. You got a lot of stuff today. We got a lot of dresses, some clothes, an umbrella, some pencils, colored pencils, a belt, some paper, some school stuff, shoes, shorts, and a whole bunch of stuff. And then a TV, and then the bicycle. So it's a very fun day today. I think Princess is very happy. It was a fun day picking it out. Good thing Angie came because that made it a lot easier.
Thank you.
Hey, yeah, thank you to David. Thank you very much, David. For making Princess happy. That was a really fun day.
She's a princess today.
Yes. Yeah, the princess shoes. She almost has like a princess bike too. It's kind of goes along with it. And then the dresses. So now Tantan and Princess both have a bike.
They can go to school.
Yeah, they can ride to school now when it opens back up. Yeah. So the kids are probably gonna be down there for a while, and we're probably about to call it a night. We're probably gonna head back. So David, we just want to say thank you very much again, and we'll probably just see you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye bye. Thanks, David.
Thank you.